Feeling like I'm beaten up and fucking...
Big Steve.
How are you, bro?
Guys, look at the t-shirt. Guys, look at the t-shirt.
Fuck.
That's what we want to see, Steve. Oh, look at this flash car.
He's the baddest car on the planet.
Ashley,
Steve's 808.
look what you're missing out on.
Oh, he's got some new heaters going on. What the fuck is that thing there? The oil pump. Fuck's sake. I'm just getting in, fuck it.
Look at this dude. Who just turns up to your house and sits in your car like that? Only Billy Hole would fucking do that. Stevie's big bad boy snail on the floor
This
there.
car in New Zealand got voted fucking #1, the best rotor of New Zealand. New Zealand's got the best rotors, so that means it is the best rotor on the planet. That's what I take from it, and I'd fucking agree.
How can you not agree?
I think Steve's running like fucking, what are you running this, Steve? Like fucking 8, 7s or something?
8.7 at 157.
Hot dog, hey. So what are you doing now? You going for the burnout king again?
Hey?
You going to be the burnout king again?
Don't know.
You fucking know. What's the plan?
Yeah, let's get it running on meth and put an 88mm turbo on it.
Bro, I just brought you some gas, bro. I got a fucking 200 litre in the back of the van.
Throw some more boost at it, see what it does.
Fucking sick. Oh, what do you say? We've had a fucking massive trip.
Yeah.
Until we shattered, actually.
Looks pretty fucking huge.
Yeah.
Anything you want to ask us about the trip, Steve? That we can put on camera, bro.
The two-wheel action looked a bit exciting, eh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So what tell us your specs, bro.
It's just a FD 30mm turbo, Bridgeport. It's got a G-force in it and a 9-inch. Yeah. Fucking 40 pounder boost. And
It's probably one of the fastest rotors around.
good fun, yeah.
And it's just fucking loose.
Takes a good beating, that's for sure.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, Steve beats on it hard. And Steve's been in the game for fucking ever. Hey, since you read WAGON.
Yeah.
Read WAGON on hotties back in the day.
No.
It's going back fuck a few years now.
Yeah, 20, 25.
We've seen your old R100 on our travels.
Oh, yep, yep.
Mm-hmm.
Chase, yeah.
Looks
Mate.
good. Looks good. It's going to come back to life.
Yeah, it's finally in some good hands again. So he'll do well.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, so what plan is for August? We're going to Aussie, me and you.
Yeah.
And Rob Dog.
Yeah,
Charlie's going to try. Hey, Charlie, you try?
No, I might just sit this one out.
Okay, well, me, Steve, and Rob Dog.
We've got to let someone else have a chance.
Maybe one of the fucking Hamilton boys can come too. That's my
maybe.
prediction.
Maybe.
That'd be cool. That'd be a good crew.
Definitely. Be good too, anyway.
Fuck yes.
I might just come with you and carry your bags again.
Yeah, that's right.
Bag boy Charlie.
How long have you had this for, Steve? Fucking what? A few years now, right? You've
Yeah.
got fucking heaps of different setups in it. You've run heaps of different sorts of fuel.
Yep.
And you fucking got it right down to fucking low times. Beating Zach.
Beating Zach, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good bragging rights.
Yeah, we'll put that on camera.
Oh, listen to it.
That'll keep Zach in the game, bro. You
Stir
know?
it up.
That'll keep Zach in the game,
Stir
bro.
it up, Yeah. No, she's had a few reincarnations over the time, but we'll chuck it on methanol now and just try and go faster and yeah, see what it'll do.
Man, so what do you want to try and get?
Fuck, if we can run a low weight,
That bad.
stoked. Yeah,
Fuck yeah.
yeah.
What's it feel like going that fast anyway?
It's good. Come for it. I can take passengers on the passenger days.
Yeah. I'm going. Never just got to run to it because I've always got my own car there.
Yeah, they're fucking good on those passenger days, the other drags.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Get G'd up. Fucking break my neck. This is the baddest car on the planet.
Put the motor and turbo and everything out of here into the 616
Oh yeah,
So-
how's that going?
on the street. Yeah, it's at Scotty's.
Alright, oh me.
So, being able to do it, Scotty's halfway through the panel now.
What kind of car, Steve?
616 sedan, yeah.
Bro, Scotty's the fucking mean sheet metalist too, eh?
Yeah.
He does some fucking amazing work.
So that's all the old setup.
Yeah, all the old setups, yeah, go in the street car.
Sick.
So, should be good fun.
Fucking hell. These cunts of RX2s, eh? Motherfuckers. Right. Well, you got lots to do then in a couple of months.
Yeah, yeah.
Fuck.
Just
Oh, God.
How big's that turbo?
It's 88 mil.
How big do they get?
Sky's the limit.
Yeah. Fucking. I don't know what to say, Steve. You stay there. You've always been the man.
Yeah, she's a fucking mess, but
Right, it's still the fucking baddest, bro. Like, fuck, yo. Every cunt will just fucking dream about this car. Wet dreaming too. I've done it many times.
Bro, you're not jacking off in there
yeah,
now,
in
eh?
the shed, mate.
Yep, built in the shed, built at home.
Yep.
Fucking tough. It's tough as fuck. You don't very often see this broken down.
No one's seen like this before.
No. Like Robbie was sick, and then fucking Scotty's was fucking just a fucking epic too.
Yeah.
Scotty's was off the hook. Scotty's was my favourite. I think, like,
Scotty's
it,
fucking thrashing that fucking too.
Yeah.
Fuck, he was getting some fucking fast donuts going, and then fucking
the yellow hatch, bro.
sucked a bit of fucking
I really like the yellow hatch.
Fucked it.
Yeah, yellow hatch is tough.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Full gas, man.
We've seen some fat cars. Fuck, we've seen some fat cars. Full 6 rotor.
Yep.
Beat up, fuck, he started fucking, we started tapping away, and well, when we left there, he like, texted me when we left, oh, just started that here, bro, just need some more fuel, and fucking thing.
Wait.
And it started raging, you know,
Yep.
fucking G up. It's bad. Hook him up. Oh, fucking. At 100?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Can you read?
Yeah. Yeah. This is all car.
Yeah. That coupe.
Yeah, he buzzed out because I recognised it. That mod in the front around the oil cooler,
Yeah.
and I was like, I'm sure that's hook you up, but a different colour.
Yeah.
And plates, like registered on the road. It's choice.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, we did, when we pulsed forward, they couldn't get hold of him, and then I just took this random cunt from the fucking hotel room for a ride.
Yeah.
And he would be contracting to him doing some fucking concrete.
Oh, yeah.
And fucking gave me his number and I rang up, texted him in the morning, bro, come around, fucking.
Sweet. Man, that's
It
cool.
was me, yeah.
It was choice.
Fuck, he was fucking primo.
And that's the thing, the viewers contributing and commenting stuff, fuck, it's just, it adds to it. Like, the more people interact, the more ideas we get.
Yeah.
Few ideas now.
The band's still going, so you're doing well.
Fucking
3.5. Come on, what's that look of disbelief, Steve? Where's your faith, bro? Come on.
Steve
Where's-
just lost $50, bro, we know.
Hey, yeah. How much did you have on us, Steve? Come on, tell
No
us.
bits.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got on 2 wheels, I was like, fuck, here we go.
Yeah, that was pretty. Ever had a van on 2 wheels, Steve?
No.
Yeah, we know you've done some fucking bad things in your time.
Yeah, no, fuck you. Humvee. We just got an extra fucking 15 horsepower out of it on Shane's dyno, mate.
Oh, mate. Yeah.
Fucking beauty, boy, running.
She's running now?
Yeah. So yeah, fuck you, me. Oh, I'm fucking over van tour though. Let's go.
Have you finished creaming your pants yet?
Yeah, I've just done it. That's why I'm ready to go. You know, bang, done it. Get it fuck out of there, bro.
Are you like not even going to do burnouts tomorrow now? You just, this
Fuck,
is
I'm gonna
you.
do burnouts tomorrow. What are you talking about?
Billy, mate. Of course he's done burnout.
What are you doing? Are you going to wreck the van tomorrow or what?
No, I'm gonna try pop tyres at least.
Do I get a skid or what?
No way. You can't-
How come I don't get a fucking skid?
Blue reverse.
I did not blow reverse.
Bring your
It's
own
still
fucking car.
there.
Bring your own car.
Why do I have to bring my car? I don't want to look see my car.
Well, you should.
I haven't even changed the tyres since stealing wheels.
Well, sweet then.
I want those fucking Advans you bought back from up north.
No fucking way.
Mate, you owe me like $700. You could fucking, I reckon those tyres would clear that debt.
Oh, yeah, they would really.
You're thinking about it now, eh?
No, forget about second hand ones.
Eh?
I'll give my second ones back again.
Nah, you know what?
Look at this fucking trophy captain over there.
I know.
Fucking gangster, that's how fucking sick this guy is. Fuck, you won a lot.
Is that one of the
Trade.
is that one of the baddest trophy shells we've seen on our trip or what? Holy shit. Lynchy's pick even. Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll fucking go take Lynchy out this shit next year or whatever it is. That'd be gangster.
January, bro.
Because fuck, this thing does the 360 whoop, eh? Well, you done it at one time at the,
Yeah.
already hit the wall, eh?
Yeah.
Went backwards in the wall.
Yeah, back into the wall, we did.
Fucking cunt.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
I should have stayed on the gas, so I fucking got off it.
Oh, I'm trying to come up with some way that it's going to really make you know. Can't do much else, but it's already done.
I'll go faster or do a big wheelie.
Yeah.
Let them hang.
You want to fucking run really the whole track?
Yeah.
Like that Superman car, fuck, it was sick, eh? Fuck yes. Oh, come on, you boys, I want to go home.